Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the Google A Studio GitHub authentication errors. Let's begin. First, open up Chrome, open up Google A Studio, and from here, if you are experiencing the error, what you can do is for a very quick fix, you can go into the incognito mode. So go ahead, log into your account and try to see if the issue has been resolved. But if not, what you can do is go to GitHub, log into your account, click on your profile icon over here, then go to settings. Okay. On the left panel, scroll down until you see applications. Click over here, and you'll see under installed GitHub applications, focus on Google AI Studio only. All right. Click on configure. Scroll down, you will have the option to suspend and uninstall. Do both. So click on suspend and then click OK, click on uninstall and then click OK. Once done, go back, go to authorized applications. Now under Google AI Studio, just revoke the access. All right. Then once done, go ahead, reconnect everything, and everything should now be working smoothly as ever. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.